little champions! Today we're going to have lots of fun with exciting height increase exercises.
Jumping jacks. Let's start with jumping jacks. Jump your feet out, raise your arms up high, then jump back in. Great job! Keep jumping. Forward bend. Now it's time for the forward bend. Bend down slowly and try to touch your toes. Stretch your body and hold it. Awesome! Hands on the head, bow down. Next is hands on the head, bow down. Put your hands on your head, bend forward gently, then come back up. Nice work! Wall standing glute kickbacks right. Let's do wall standing glute kickbacks right. Hold the wall and kick your right leg back slowly. Keep your balance. Fantastic! Wall standing glute kickbacks left. Now switch to wall standing glute kickbacks left. Kick your left leg back nice and slow. You're doing great! Kneeling lunge stretch right. Time for the kneeling lunge stretch right. Step your right foot forward and stretch gently. Hold it. Excellent! Kneeling lunge stretch left. Now it's kneeling lunge stretch left. Put your left foot forward and enjoy the stretch. Amazing job! Crunch kicks. Let's do crunch kicks. Lie down, lift your legs, and kick gently while keeping your tummy tight. Keep going. Superman. It's time for Superman. Lift your arms and legs off the floor like you're flying through the sky. You're a superhero. Cobra Stretch. Now do the Cobra Stretch. Press your hands down and lift your chest up like a happy cobra. Stretch and smile. Rope jumping. Finally, it's rope jumping. Jump up and down like you're skipping with a rope. Fast feet, big smiles, and have fun. Great job, everyone!
You did an amazing workout today! Keep exercising, keep smiling, and stay healthy every day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!